You and I may be very excited to explore the capabilities of AI and Microsoft Copilot, but some people remain critical, and for valid reasons. The benefits of efficiency, ease of use, and time saving are absolutely undeniable, but it's worth taking a closer look at some of the concerns that have been expressed by a lot of people. Welcome to AI Academy. Let's talk about responsible AI. Right from the beginning, Microsoft has developed its artificial intelligence services in adherence to strict principles for responsible AI. This approach puts people and their real human objectives at the forefront of every decision, ensuring respect for core values like fairness, reliability, and perhaps above all, transparency. It's worth knowing more about Microsoft's principles for responsible AI. Fairness is placed first and foremost to ensure equal benefits for all users while mitigating biases in the interactions with AI. Reliability and safety are prioritized all the way from the development and testing phases, so users can expect a consistent quality of interactions with Microsoft's AI services. Security and privacy are likewise incorporated from the very beginning to ensure accurate and informed predictions and to protect personal data. Inclusiveness is an important part of AI interactions, and it's emphasized by making AI as user-friendly and accessible as possible, providing equal opportunities for everyone to use it. And what about transparency? Documentation of purpose, process, sources, and limitations of AI systems help users understand the output of their AI experiences. Lastly, accountability is paramount. Organizations adhere to industry accountability standards, and even individuals themselves take responsibility for the use of AI systems. And Microsoft's goal is to promote AI development that is not only innovative, but one that's also trustworthy and aligns with fundamental human values. I hope this clarification has potentially helped address some concerns and has served to illustrate Microsoft's intentions behind the development and deployment of AI services across the Microsoft ecosystem. For more in-depth details on Microsoft principles for responsible AI, definitely check out the dedicated resource at microsoft.com/AI/responsible AI. Next time on AI Academy, we'll talk about how to get the most out of AI generating advanced prompts. See you next time.